UPD stands for update. It is usually a text file containing version notes for a program. You can almost always open it with Notepad to read the details. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's read it. To quickly determine if the UPD file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. A UPD file can represent either a program update or a document, depending on the context. As a program update, it contains patches, fixes, or new features designed to improve or correct software functionality. As a document, it may contain data or information related to a specific application or system. Determining the exact nature of a UPD file requires examining its source and associated software. The structure of a UPD file varies greatly depending on its purpose. Program update files often contain compressed or encrypted data that is extracted and applied by an update utility. Document UPD files may follow a proprietary format specific to the application that uses them. Analyzing the file header and associated software documentation is crucial for understanding its internal structure and purpose. Windows often defaults to associating UPD with the Microsoft Notepad solution from Microsoft Corporation. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows can detect the file but not its meaning, so proper reading requires the associated program. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the UPD file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Notepad is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. When your UPD file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the UPD file is refusing to open. First, identify the device. Determine the specific device, e.g. printer, router, camera. The update is for and consult the device's manual. Next, use the update utility. Use the device's firmware update utility, usually built into the device's software, and select the UPD file to perform the update. Finally, check digital signature. If the device rejects the file is corrupted. Re-download the file directly from the manufacturer. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your UPD file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Final recommendation: File Magic. It's the universal file viewer that fixes the UPD format every time. Visit filemagic.com to download now. We got to the solution quickly. If speed is what you value, please subscribe for more efficient guides. I'm thankful for every viewer I have.